Waterfall Residential Estates have been skillfully designed to encourage a healthy, wholesome, family-oriented lifestyle in a secure and natural environment housing world-class facilities. The estates feature over 40 kilometers of walkways and boardwalks that wind through 400 acres of beautiful indigenous parkland, green belts, dams and riverbanks situated securely within its perimeter. Dotted with an abundance of picnic areas, play parks, benches and mountain bike trails, the banks of the Yuxke come alive in this glorious haven for birds, plants and people as they explore and enjoy the development's natural beauty. Overlooking the majestic Waterfall Lake is the 4,900 square meter clubhouse, an architectural wonder designed exclusively for the use of residents and their guests, providing easy and convenient access to its world-class facilities and varying activities. From a fully equipped gym with fitness studios to a children's recreation centre, a health bar and restaurant, tennis courts, and a glorious playground for all forms of non-motorised water sports. With an array of upmarket lifestyle centres currently under construction, residents will have every convenience they need on their doorstep, including a commercial and retail precinct, consisting of business parks, a central business district, village shopping centres, an exclusive 5-star hotel, and even the recently opened Netcare Waterfall Hospital. This, coupled with the Redham House Waterfall School situated within the estate, makes Waterfall a highly sought-after lifestyle destination. Children are able to ride their bikes to this internationally recognised private school, safely situated within Waterfall. Catering for preschoolers to grade 12s, Redham ensures the highest quality education for your child. Waterfall offers an unprecedented lifestyle that until recently was not available. Here residents enjoy an unparalleled quality of life that allows them to focus solely on their family and lifestyle in a safe and natural environment.